Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I am recreating a room divider I made in the past, and I'll be using 13 hula hoops and I'll be spray painting them gold. You can still see some spots on the hula hoops, but I'll be retouching them later. Next, I got 4 pieces of wood from Home Depot and I will be spray painting them metallic gold as well. I also got these corner brackets from Home Depot and I'll be using them to connect each of the woods together. I first started off by placing the pieces of wood in position so that I can go in with my corner brackets and screw them in. And this is how all 4 corners look when I was finished. Next, I'm starting off by adding 3 hula hoops to one side of the divider. I am using screws today because these hula hoops are very strong, but if you are using flimsy hula hoops and you prefer to use screws, make sure you use washers with yours or zip ties. And as you can see, I'm adding 2 screws to the circles on the corners and only 1 to the one in the center. After I'm finished with these 3, I'm going to add 3 to the other side and do the exact same thing, as you can see. Next, I'll be adding 3 more hula hoops in the center, and I'm going to start using my zip ties. And I'll be adding zip ties to each hula hoop that is next to the one in the center. And since these hula hoops aren't the giant size, I am leaving a gap in between the zip ties just in case I need to tighten up or loosen. And as you can see, these are the 4 zip ties I added. And now I'm going to start adding zip ties to the perimeter. And this is how it looked when it was done. Next, I'll be taking 4 more hula hoops and overlapping them over the hula hoops in the corners. And I will also be securing them by adding zip ties. Now I am going back in and cutting off the extra pieces from the zip ties. Next, I am going to add these shelf brackets to the divider and also these 2 pieces of wood to hold them up. So I am going to be screwing in my screw and then attaching it to the bottom of the divider. And by the way, if you are trying to create the headboard, you will not be adding the legs. I just didn't want to show you guys the headboard until the video was finished. Well, until the DIY was finished. I wanted to reveal both at the same time. And I wanted to show you that I did the other side the same way. Now that that part is attached, I am adding the brackets to the front and the back of the divider on each side. Next, I am taking this back outside and spraying the legs and the spots that I missed earlier. And this is how the headboard came out. Like I said, I didn't add the legs. And this is how the room divider came out. Please let me know in the comments if you like the headboard better or the room divider. As always, thank you so much, Glitter Babes, for watching. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you later, Glitter Babes.